If you need to request a refund from Temu, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Make sure you have your order details handy before you begin. Step 1. Review the refund policy. Check Temu's refund policy on their website to understand the eligibility criteria, time limits, and any specific conditions that may apply to your order. Step 2. Gather order information. Collect all relevant information about your order, including your order number, the items you wish to return, and the reason for the refund. This will help expedite the process. Step 3. Access your account. Log into your Temu account on the website or app. Navigate to the order history section to locate the order for which you want a refund. Step 4. Initiate the refund request. Select the order and look for the option to request a refund or return. Follow the prompts to fill out the necessary information and submit your request. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your refund request, keep an eye on your email for any updates from Temu. If you do not receive a response within the specified time frame, consider reaching out to the customer service for assistance. By following these steps, you can efficiently navigate the refund process with Temu. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact the support team.